Hey guys, welcome back. We are out in the backyard again, and I just wanted to take you guys over to show you the fruit trees that we are growing. I am so excited because they are doing very, very well this year. And now we did have some that, we didn't pull all the fruit off for last year. So let me let you take a look. So as you can see, this particular tree is loaded with fruit. And I know we're terrible. We should have pulled that other fruit off, but there are so many thorns and things up under there, and the fruit started growing back so fast before all of the fruit could hit the ground. So we were just kind of hesitant to go under there, but I would strongly advise to make sure to get all of that fruit off the vines. And this is one of the, I call it my hybrid. So this is a cross between a lemon and a orange, I believe. And if you could see the one on the ground and some of those under there, you see how large they get? They get as large as an orange. And so this tree is probably a good 12 foot high, 15 foot maybe at this point. And I bought this tree thinking that this was a lemon tree, which is what the label said, but I bought it thinking that it was a lemon tree, and it turned out not to be. Now, this one is supposed to be a lemon tree. I bought it from a different location. It was one of the natives nurseries, so I'm pretty sure that we actually got what we were paying for with this one. And this one here is probably a good 6 foot high. As you can see, it's as high as the fence there. So this is supposed to be a lemon. The lime did not survive, so we still have to go back and get a lime tree. And the lemons are doing very well. It's not loaded down yet, but I think it still has a lot of potential to be a decent harvest. We may not be having enough to really share off of that one, but it may be a decent harvest. Now, this is my favorite because I absolutely love grapefruit. So this grapefruit tree has been with us for about, let's see, 2 years. So this tree has been here for about 2 years, and we have fruit. The first year we did have maybe 3 that survived. And so, we have, I don't know, less than 5 on here right now, but I am very happy to at least see grapefruit because we didn't really see a whole lot the first time. Now, take a look. Let me get back a little bit so you can see. Take a look at this tree here. That is another grapefruit tree, okay? And look how huge this grapefruit is. They are humongous. And this tree has grapefruit for the first time ever. So I am super, super stoked. And as you can see, look at the stalk of it. It's really growing into a nice sturdy tree, but it has been here since probably about 5 years ago. About 5 years ago. It may be going into the 6th year, but as you can see, we have grapefruit, and I'm so excited about having some grapefruit because I absolutely love it, and the kids love grapefruit as well. So that's our little video. Well, let's see what else we have. That's Now this one is a tangerine tree, and these tangerines were super sweet. There's some up at the top of the tree, and they are definitely coming along. And we had to put some neem oil on the trees because we were having, I believe it was aphids. We were having aphids, and it's kind of, they're tough. They're really tough. So you have to come at them, and we want to organic garden. So you have to come at them kind of, with something that's going to be really beneficial. And we just keep it to the point where we're not using, insecticides and all of this type of stuff. And I have been watching videos from other homesteaders. I've been watching a lot of videos from other homesteaders to kind of find out what we need to do to make sure that things are growing, they're plentiful, and that we're getting good harvest. And one of the things I'm going to show you now are blueberry bushes. And let's see, I can get up in there good. So as you can see, there are blueberries, and they come off really easily, and they are so delicious. They are so naturally delicious when they are not mass produced. And then here's another blueberry bush. So we've literally been coming out here every day, and we've been getting blueberries and enjoying them in our oatmeal or just out of our hand or whatever. So I do have one more blueberry bush that I just bought so that we can have more. Oh, before I forget, one of the things that I was going to say is that with the blueberry bushes, use the pine bark to surround the bushes. That's one of the things that have really made a huge difference in the harvest that we have. And so here is the most recent blueberry bush, and it came with a lot of blueberries, so I was happy. That one is broken down there, looks like it's hanging off, but it did come with a lot of blueberries already on it. And we wanted to, when we get trees, we want to make sure that we see some potential when we get the small bushes and the fruit, especially the fruit things. Everything else I kind of grow from seed, but we love to see the delicious new budding fruit on on our trees and our bushes when we get them. So these blueberries are really delicious. And I'm telling you, the sweetness is unlike anything that you've tasted when you grow things in your backyard. Everything tastes different than when you buy it mass produced from the store. So that's a wrap. That's another video on our blueberries, our grapefruit, and our lemon. And my kids joke around and call the tree that we say is a hybrid tree. They call it a lorange because it's a cross between a lemon and an orange. That's what it tastes like to us anyway. So but that's pretty much that. So please subscribe to the channel. I will be bringing a lot more videos, and my husband is definitely going to be bringing some videos as well on the channel, or at least getting on here with me. Oh, and for the natural girls, I also have aloe growing here in the backyard. And so I am going to definitely get some videos done on the aloe plant to let you see some things about it. And yeah, so we'll talk about a lot of other stuff as time goes on. Alrighty, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and I will see you guys on the next video.